Welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Congratulations messages are pouring in for the Ndlovus family. Guys, it appears that the Ndlovus, Hungani and Stephanie has welcomed their first child together. This comes after a hint from Stephanie in her flat time, and she said, "Mama, getting back into the swing of things is wholeheartedly the hardest thing I've ever had to do, but I'm trying to exercise patience and kindness with myself, being present in every moment on this new journey." Fans took to her comment section to congratulate her on her social media post, including her best friend Petronella Chuma, who told Stephanie that she is doing an amazing job. The Ndlovus guys didn't share a picture or gender of their newborn, but yes, Stephanie confirmed the good news with her post and the responses on her comment section. Hungani and Stephanie announced their pregnancy well over a month ago. The couple also revealed that they had suffered a miscarriage, so ngampela indaba ezimnandi lezi for them. In that note, congratulations. We wish them all the best, guys, in their new journey. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with them. Bye.